Okay. So I'm going to tell you what the three of those mean first, what they actually are, first of all. So the mode, that is the most common number in a set of numbers. So if I give you an example, if I have a set of numbers like 1, 4, 4, 8, 9, 11, 15, and someone asks you what is the mode, what would it be?
One,
Not 1,
four.
4. So in this case, the mode is 4 because 4 comes up twice and every other number comes up once. Make sense?
Yes.
The median is the middle value. So if I can use this same set of numbers as an example, for me to find the median, I work my way into the middle. So if I get rid of the two numbers on the end, and then I do that again, get rid of the two numbers on the end, and I do it again, I get rid of the two numbers on the end, I'm left with one number. So what is the median?
Eight.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Good. And then the mean is when you add all the numbers together and you divide by how many there are.
Okay.
So if I use an example of 2, 3, 7, and 8, right?
Yes.
For me to work out the mean, I would do 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8, which is, what is it?
20.
20. And then to get the mean, because there are four numbers, I do 20 divided by 4. And what does that equal?
20 divided 4. 5.
5.
5.
So in this set of numbers, the mean would be 5.
Okay.
Understand how that works?
Yes.
Good job.